Hi, welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Pamela. So if you're seeing this video for the very first time, you're highly welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you so much. So I'll be doing a lashes tutorial for beginners. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video. So guys, these are the lashes I'll be using. So first of all, you have to measure your lashes, okay, with the natural lashes. Okay, so when you place it, you are taking measurements. So this is the length is much than her natural lash line, so we are going to use scissors to cut it. Okay, so guys, this is me using scissors to cut one out. Okay, so this is it. You cut out one, is off. So now we're going to place it again on her eyes to see if it's actual length now. So this is the exact one. Okay, now I'm going to go in using my lashes glue to place it on the stripes of the lashes. So this is the lashes glue I'll be using. Okay, so this is me placing it on the stripes. So after doing this, I hope you guys can see it. After doing this, you allow it to get tacky before you fix it. Okay, so guys, now it's tacky. Then I'll be going in with my tweezer to place the lashes on her eye. So the next thing I'll do is you are placing closely to her natural lashes. Okay, so guys, I started off by placing the lashes at the center, that is the middle. Okay, when I placed it at the middle, I used my thumb to hold the beginning, not too tight please, just a little. I'm not adding force or pressure please. Then I use my tweezer to place the extreme. Then here I'm arranging. For this, you can still use your hand to arrange it, okay, to make sure the lash sits well where it's supposed to stay. All right, in case at the process you have damage, you can do damage control. Yes, maybe your lashes is not gluing very well when you are placing it, you can put lashes glue on it and still use your tweezer to put it, or use your hand to adjust it, and it will still stay. Okay, yeah, this is the lashes. So this is the outcome. I did the other side of the eye off camera. Yes, so guys, this is the end of our eyelashes tutorial. I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share my videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.